AOPS Volume 1, the basics, number 19. Evaluate the square root of -1 times the square root of -1 parentheses squared times the square root of -1 squared. And all this question is testing for is really your understanding of the exponential rules for square roots. It is important to understand that the square root of a squared within the square root is equal to a. It is important to also understand that the square root of a squared is also a. So, but in this context, uh, they do have some different implications. So if I change my color, then we know that i's definition is equal to square root of -1. And we cannot simplify square root of -1. We can only leave it as I. Square root of -1 squared is -1, and the square root of -1 squared within the square root will be 1. So evaluating this will give us -I, the answer to our question.